Research advocates play a vital role in shaping NCI's work. They challenge us and ensure that we never lose sight of what we are here to do, which is to improve patient outcomes by advancing cancer research. We can't do this without the unique perspectives research advocates bring. Dr. Doug Lowy, Principal Director of the NCI, said these words to describe what I'm here to talk about today. I'm Carole Baas, the National Advocate for the NCI Physical Sciences and Oncology Network. The Physical Sciences and Oncology Initiative addresses some of the major questions and barriers in cancer research. What makes this program truly remarkable is the inclusion of advocates in this very technical area of science, a goal instituted by the NCI from the very beginning. I joined the program in a volunteer capacity in 2009 when the PS-OCs were launched, with the initial objective of bringing the patient voice into the scientific discussion at each of the 12 centers in the network. Advocacy within the PS-ON focuses on cancer research advocacy, a type of advocacy in which the focus is on supporting the research through active involvement in the scientific process. Research advocates remind us of the need for research focused on patient benefits and outcomes. Since those early days of the PS-OCs, the advocacy core has grown. Currently, 7 out of 10 of the centers have advocacy programs, and 7 out of 17 of the projects interact with advocates. Our advocates are diverse. They span generations, ethnicities, and cultures with a wide range of skills and expertise, from education to business to public health to science to the arts and to engineering. Their activities are equally varied. Advocates contribute to PS-ON programs from basic science to innovative ways to communicate research findings. This diversity makes our research community stronger. Advocates from different backgrounds bring unique information and experiences, encouraging the search for novel information and perspectives and leading to better decision-making and problem-solving. PS-ON advocates have authored and contributed to peer-reviewed scientific journal articles, presented posters at major cancer conferences here and abroad, educated students ranging from elementary through postdocs about science, as well as what it's like to be a cancer patient, given talks at venues large and small, written books and blogs and columns about the realities of cancer and the advocate experience, advised how to best communicate complicated topics in writing as well as in oral presentations, and served as a teammate and partner in scientific discourse. PS-ON advocacy has influenced the development of other research advocacy programs in the basic sciences and physical sciences and oncology, including the CSBC. I encourage you to connect with advocates and to really think about how you can include the patient community in what you do. Reach out to cancer groups in your area and offer to give a talk about your work. Seek out advocacy groups in the type of cancer you're studying to discuss ways to work on projects together. Identify individuals interested in cancer research and bring them into your lab to show them firsthand things they may have never seen before. There is a great urgency now for the public to recognize the importance of science and the need to support it, and this understanding begins with each and every one of you and the connections that you make outside your scientific silos with the broader community. In the 10-plus years of the program, many of us have been personally touched by cancer, and we have lost members of our community, some to the very disease we are fighting so hard to understand and control. I'd like to take a moment to recognize Jonathan Weedham, Bart Kamen, Raymond Mine, Lori Marks Rubiner, Sandra Bishnoi, Sandy Spiegel, Christy Richards, Sam Gambier, Zena Werb. In closing, I want to remind you of our belief that through public and patient involvement in cancer research, we can better shape the scientific agenda together and improve the quality of the research and its relevance to society with the ultimate goal of positively impacting patient outcomes. Thank you.